Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today, guys, is show you an easy way to make a composite in Adobe Photoshop, basically adding elements to your imagery using the new generative fill option. Since the update and they've implemented this generative fill using AI, it's very impressive. And I want to quickly show you a little simple way of how to add images and add elements into your imagery using this new option. As you can see here, I have this image of this lady sitting at a train station. And what I'd like to do is have a train sort of like coming towards her here on the left-hand side. So very loosely, what I'm now going to do is I'm just going to make a selection using my lasso tool. As you can see here, very loose selection. Doesn't have to be perfect at all. Let's say like sort of around here. And what happens is when you make a selection, you have this little new taskbar here. And as you can see, we have generative fill. If I now click generative fill, what it does, it gives me an option to add a prompt. So I'm going to say add train. And now if you press generate, may take a couple of seconds for it to work it out, but as always, I say to you, patience is a virtue and the results will always be quite impressive. The benefit of using generative fill as well is they give you three different options for you to choose from. And if you don't like the first group of imagery, you can generate again and it'll create another three for you. So I'm pretty happy with that one there. Let's have a look at this one here, like so. I'm probably going to go for the third one there. Like so, and as you can see as well, what it's done, it's really incorporated the style of that image. As you can see, we've got that sort of like starry, cloudy effect on this image. And we can see here that it's applied that option. And there you have it, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much. Take care. I'll see you next time.